Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 30 July 2018, 02 of hour, 05 of minute and 34 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how long does food stay good in the refrigerator? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how long does food stay good in the refrigerator. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how long does food stay good in the refrigerator. After food is cooked, it should sit out at room temperature no more than 2 hours before being refrigerated to slow down bacteria growth. But once stored in the fridge, leftovers should be eaten up within 3 to 4 days because bacteria can still grow even at refrigerator temperatures. Last update May 21, 2015. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.